Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Microsoft To-Do List on your desktop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Store application on your desktop. You can typically find this by clicking the Start menu or searching for it in your taskbar. The Microsoft Store is your gateway to downloading and installing various applications directly onto your Windows computer. Once the Microsoft Store opens, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see a search bar. Click on this search bar and type in Microsoft To Do. This will help you locate the official Microsoft To Do app among all the available applications in the store. Make sure you're searching for the correct app to ensure you get the legitimate version from Microsoft. After you enter your search, you'll see a list of results appear. Look for the Microsoft To Do app in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can view more details about the application, including its features, user reviews, and screenshots of what it looks like. Now, on the app page, you'll notice a button that says Get. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the download and installation process. This button initiates the automatic download of the application to your desktop, and the Microsoft Store will handle everything from here. At this point, you'll need to wait until the installation is done. Depending on your internet connection speed and system performance, this process typically takes just a minute or two. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much of the download and installation has been completed. The app will be installed automatically without requiring any additional input from you during this time. And that's it. You've successfully added Microsoft To-Do List to your desktop, and you can now start organizing your tasks and staying productive right from your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.